Hello everyone, welcome to Fosan Transcend Metal. There are a few types of curve railing during our life. Today, we are going to introduce the method of measuring the curved balcony railing in the video. Please look at the 3D balcony railing in the video. First, we measure the length from the wall to the first corner point. Both sides are measured. The length of the outer edge is measured, and then the measure straight across between the outer corners of the balcony. In this case, the straight line of the band is 3,500 millimeters. Please note that all these dimensions need to be measured on site. With the straight lines of the band, now we can measure the band height. Measuring in a straight line across the width, find the center of the width. 1/2 the width. From center of the width, measure to the highest points of the arc. Here we get the band height of 340 millimeters. After the three sides are measured, we also need to determine how wide the installation surface of the guardrail is. Here we need to communicate with the customer whether the railing is installed in the middle or a little bit outside. Our railing manufacturer will produce the product tray according to the actual situation. For more knowledge before and after purchasing your ideal railing, please follow our channel, and thanks for your watching. Next, let's look at an example of installation of a guardrail that is on a job site. If you are figuring out how to measure the data of your curved railing that need to be produced, now please have a look. First of all, the arc of the railing must be regular. Here, we mark the two ends of the arc of the railing. The tape measure runs along the outer edge of the arc to measure the band length. And now we measure the band length to be 7,150 millimeters. After that, then we need to know the diameter of this arc, which is the straight line distance from the start point to the end points of the band. After measuring the diameter, we also need to know the band height. To do this, we prepare two measuring tapes to measure. One is to measure the diameter, and the other is to measure the distance between the highest points of the band to the straight line. Here we get the straight line is 7,040 millimeters, and the band height is measured 540 millimeters. In this case, he chose the 50 millimeters stainless steel pipe, so the band height need to plus 50 millimeters. Now we know the band length. the bandwidth, and the highest points of the R. If we pass this message to the contractor, our factories will know how to bend the pipe.